In 2017, when I bought the Street Glide, I took out the halogen light and replaced it with an LED. This is the LED I purchased for the bike back in 2017. I don't know if you can tell, little scratches all in the lens. It's just an inferior light that I chose to buy back in 2017, thinking it was a good buy. But I'm taking this out today and replacing it with a nicer light, LED. Light looks great, and it also puts out a lot of light, but this just looks like crap. So after 5 years, possibly the heat caused the scratching, deterioration of the lens itself. So let's go to it and let's replace it.
Should have learned my lesson long, long time ago.
This is the LED light I took out. I don't think you can see the scratches and stuff in it from this angle or without the light on. I don't know. But so I'm taking out. It's like $200 for this light. 2017. I'm actually putting in a much nicer light. The lens is probably glass. This is plastic. But here we go.